Hello, I'm Gorrie from the Navigator Network, current holder of the Australian Firm of the Year with Now Infinity. Each year we have many clients sell their businesses, and it's important for you to have some understanding of the various options you have open to you in order to minimise the tax on any profits you make when you sell the business. This is a very complex issue, so I'm only going to focus on a couple of options re the sale. In reality, you need to get specialist advice prior to selling your business to take advantage of the options open to you. To access the small business concessions, your turnover from the business needs to be less than $2 million per year, or your net assets, excluding the family home, is less than $6 million. I think most people would agree the best small business concession is the 15-year exemption if it is available to you. Basically, you must have been in business for at least 15 years and you must be over 55 years of age when you sell your business. This choice needs to be made when you lodge your tax return in the financial year when you sell your business. You then have the option of contributing the capital proceeds from the sale of the business into a super fund. The timing of when you have to make the super payments differs depending on the entity that owns the business, so you need to familiarise yourself with these dates. The next option you have when you sell your business is to make use of the retirement exemption. This concession does not depend on the length of time you own the business. What is important, however, is whether you are over 55 years or not. If you're less than 55, you must contribute an amount equal to the capital gains tax exempt amount into a complying super fund prior to lodging your tax return for the year, when the gain is made or when you receive the proceeds from the sale of the business. If the business owner is over 55 years of age, you have the choice of whether you contribute the sale of proceeds to super. In both cases, there are critical dates that have to be strictly adhered to in order to make use of the concessions, depending on the structure of who owns the business. These capital gains tax small business concessions are very generous when you want to sell your business, but are very strict in terms of the various time frames, depending on who owns the business and the age of the individuals who are the business owners. I strongly encourage you to seek good professional advice if you're going to sell your business, so you take advantage of these generous concessions. If you would like further information regarding this, please call our office or email us.